Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Today, we're going to talk about Forex trading using Metatrader 4. This is Eddie Harvey from eddieoharvey.com. All right, guys, listen, today we're going to talk about Metatrader 4, using it for Forex. Exactly what is Metatrader 4, guys? Listen, obviously, if you're trading, you've heard you need MT4 or MT5. Now, I personally don't use MT5 4 years trading. I've always used Metatrader 4. Metatrader 4, simply put, is the platform where you go to execute your trades. Be it a live or a demo account, it is where you're gonna go to go in over there. You're gonna press buy or sell. You're gonna find your pairs. All of that is done. Setting your stop loss, your take profit, lot size. All of that is done inside of Metatrader 4. So pretty much you're gonna need Metatrader 4. You can have Metatrader 4 downloaded on your computer or your tablet or your smartphone. The choice is yours of where you're gonna choose to trade from. I personally execute all of my trades from my mobile phone, so I have Metatrader 4 there, but I do have it on my computer just in case I do want to trade on my computer. And yes, Metatrader 4 is available on PC and Mac. So once you have Metatrader 4, you're gonna go in there. Obviously, you're gonna download the app, and then from there, you're gonna have to connect through a broker to use Metatrader 4. Now, they do have it where you can literally set up a demo account right inside of Metatrader 4, but the best route, the way I like to use it, is through using one of the brokers that I'm using to trade. So you will simply, you option select that broker for your demo account or your live account. From there, you're good to go to start trading on the Metatrader 4 platform. So what I like to do now, instead of just telling you about it, I want to show you a live demo. I'm going to walk you through me setting up a trade all the way through using Metatrader 4. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Metatrader 4. So if you look here in the bottom left-hand corner, I have the Metatrader 4 app. Okay, so I'm going to click on this app. Now, as you can see, it opens up. What I want to do, guys, I'm going to show you all. I'm going to go here to the bottom right-hand corner where it says settings. Let me move this out of the way. You can see that on your screen or not. Okay, I'm going to go to settings. So I'm click on settings. Now, as you can see here, you see at the top, it has my name. It shows you the account, FX Choice, Pro Demo. So if you go up here where it says demo, I'm going to click here by this arrow right there. First, I take that back. I'm going to go to new account. Let's go over here to new account, click new account. And this is where you want to go, guys. You can log into an existing account or open a demo account. So for the sake of just keeping it simple, we're going to open a demo account. Okay, I'm going to tap there. Now it's going to show you FX Choice Pro Demo, MetaQuotes Demo, meaning that's from Metatrader, or you can go select whatever broker that you want. Okay, and you tap here, you search to find a broker. So whatever broker, you just start typing in the alphabet, right? Or whatever broker. So let's say if you were using, KOT Forex or whoever, all these different brokers will pop up. I'm just naming somebody. Say KOT Demo, right? If you're using Trader's Way, right? It'll pop up Trader's Way, Demo, all of that stuff, right? And it'll show you the live accounts and everything as well. So being that I use FX Choice, I'm gonna just go FX Choice and it'll show Classic Demo or Pro Demo. So let's just say you go FX Choice Pro Demo. I'm gonna click Pro Demo. Now you can see it pre-populates with my name, it pre-populates with my phone number, my email address, right? All of those things are pre-populated, okay? So then when you look here, it shows the account type. Now you used to have to, and you still can register. So if I click register, let's see what happens here, okay? It gives you, it automatically pre-population with a login and a password and all of that right there, okay? And then you can go register that over with FX Choice, okay, on their site. So when you go to fxchoice.com and you click, go find, open a demo account, then this is your login and password. So what I like about it is that they're like literally making it easier for you to where You used to have to go and register and set up a demo and all of that first. You don't even have to do all of that. So again, let's just go back to that. It pre-populates with my name and my phone and my email. And I come down here, account type USD, right? Account type, whatever yours is USD for me. Then the leverage, 1 to 500, it shows the deposit. So if I want to change my leverage, let's just say I wanted to do a 1 to 200 leverage, which I prefer to use anyway, be it demo or live. And then for the deposit amount, you can do 100,000, you can do 500, a million, 5 million, 50,000, 25, 10,000, 5,000, and 3,000. So those are all of the options to give you for a demo account. So let's say I leave it at 10,000. Now I have that all set up, right? It's all plugged in for me. I go to register, boom, copy the clipboard, done, okay? So now I got that information copied to my clipboard and I'll save it in my notes so I know I have it to when I want to go, if I wanted to physically log in to that FX Choice account, I have that information, okay? So that's how you do it. So you can pick that for whatever demo account you want to use. Now the next step inside of here, right? The next step inside of here is now you see you have simple and advanced, okay? I like keeping mine on advanced over simple, and you may ask, well, why? Because advanced highlights the pips that you're using to calculate. Okay, advanced is highlighting the pips, the main numbers that you're using to calculate. So when you're calculating pips, it comes down to those last two digits. Okay, so if you figure, hey, whatever, if I wanted to do a 30 pip, let's say if I get in on Euro USD at that price 1.1810, I know if I wanted, and I got in for a buy, if I wanted to do 30 pips in profit, I knew it would be if I want to set that as my take profit, I would have a take profit of 1.18404 or whatever. There you go. So it just highlights the numbers you need to focus on better. So I keep it on advanced. Now, as you can see here, it have the main 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, there's 9 right here. So these are the main currency pairs, okay? These are the main currency pairs. So the Forex majors, okay? These are the Forex major pairs. So now, if I go over here, in the top right hand corner, hit this plus button. I hit the plus button there. Now I can go add the rest of any majors if there's any left. So these are the rest of the majors. So let me correct myself, guys. It's main 8 major currencies, but these are all of the major pairs. There, correction. So all I do, guys, to keep matters simple. So just in case if I'm trading and I want to trade a specific pair, I just add all of them. I don't just leave it at those. So I would simply go and add all of these, okay? I'm adding them all. Boom. I added them all for Forex. And do I add these? No, because these are now, when you're saying this in FX group, I call these, some of these are exotics where you have the peso, the Swedish krona, the Singapore dollar, South African rand. I don't utilize any of those, so I leave that out. So I don't add metals or anything. I may add gold, but I don't really trade gold like that. So that would be the only thing I would do, but I will still add it, okay? So let me just add gold, all right? But now I got all of the main pairs here that I'm able to trade, okay? Now, at the time of this video, the market just closed. So if you notice, some of these pairs just grayed out. Why? Because 5 p.m. Eastern is 4 p.m. Central here for me in Chicago. The market just closed and it's resetting. It's about to reopen. Okay, with the market reopening, the spreads are going to be crazy high. You can already see here. So, right, I'm just giving you guys a quick tip. At the time of market reopening, you do not want to trade. Just wait a little bit to let the market reboot itself. Look at the spreads here. On GBP CHF is out right now. It's 203. GBP JPY 184. These are some very high spreads. So you don't want to be trading all of these super high spreads right now, okay? So that's where we're at with that. But now this is just for the sake of example, showing you guys how to execute a trade, okay? So we have that. Now for executing a trade, guys, let's just say I did want to trade Euro USD. If you come down here at the bottom, you're going to see quotes. These are all of the pairs that we have that's showing right now. If you hit charts, it's going to go show the different charts. So this is Well, this trade's about to take profit for me in my live account. In UCAD, so it's showing that, right? It's just showing a different pair. So let's just say I wanted to change my pair. I want to focus on Euro USD. I would hold press on that screen for like 2 seconds. It's going to show me trade, chart, and details. And let's say if I want to see the chart, see what Euro USD looks like. Okay, this is what Euro USD is looking like. If I wanted to trade, I would simply come here, or I can go right from quotes or the chart and trade. See, I can tap on trade, Euro USD. And let's say if I wanted to get in a trade here, I would hit trade. And then from here, guys, this is where everything is at. The pair, the market, the type. This is market execution. I can change it to a buy limit, a sell limit, a buy stop, or a sell stop. I could change my lot size. If I want to change this to the lot size, you got to remember, you want to make sure you're using the right lot size, right? So let's say if I want to change this to a 0.10, okay, which is $1 per pip, I can do that. I want to leave it at market execution. And right here, iPhone and Android tend to be maybe a little different. But let's say if I want to enter a sell, I can hit sell. If I want to enter a buy, I can hit buy. Okay, so this is where you can execute and do everything at. And if I want to change the pair, I can just tap there at the top and I can change whatever pair I wanted to go to. Okay, so going back out, now come down here at the bottom, you see trade, you see history, you see settings. If I go to history, it'll show me any trades that have been executed. No trades have been executed because I'm just opening the demo account up now. Okay, so these are all of the things when you're using Metatrader 4 that you're going to be able to do. Execute the trades, edit the trades, pick the pairs. You got to have your broker tied in with it. Everything is right here for you to navigate. You see it shows the day, it shows today, it shows the week, the month, and you can customize it. So if I had my week, it'll show here what I did for the month. And if I want to customize, I can come and see at the top, I can select the dates and show a range of trades where I can show, let's say, September 5th to the 24th if I want to show it. If I wanted to show going back, I could as well. So you can do all of that from within here. As you can see here, if I want to go all the way back to 2018 and look at my trades, I could do that. Okay. So those are the different things that you can do, guys. Metatrader 4 is very powerful. Everything you need to operate and trade is right here at your fingertips. Now, you can chart over here as well. Okay, let me show you how to do this really quickly. So let's say if I wanted to mark up some zones, let's say if I was saying, hey, all right, cool, I'm in Metatrader. Let's say I wanted to, depending on your style of trading, I wanted to mark up a zone. Let's say if I said, you got indicators, object settings. If you use indicators, this is where you can go to main window. You can add whatever indicator you are using. Okay, so if you wanted to, whatever you use is in here. All right, I personally don't use indicators to trade. I've used them in the past, but I do know how to use them. So let's say if I wanted to use a moving average, I can put it here. It show you the period, the type simple applies to it. You can change the color. If I want to change the color of that moving average to whatever I wanted to change it to, I could. Save that, hit done, boom, now the moving average is on the chart. Okay, to remove it, just double tap, settings. Oh, wrong one. Double tap, indicators. There you go, moving average. Okay, I can delete it if I wanted to from right here. Okay, reset, done. There you go. This is out of there. Okay, everything you want to do is right here for you. If I wanted to, let me go back and show you objects, right? If you want to come in here and you can find your lines, Fibonacci, different squares, circles, rays, all of these different things, trend lines is all right here. I want to come in here and mark up some zones. You can do everything from right inside of Metatrader 4. Okay, so sometimes if I'm in the midst of whatever, looking for potential trade, and if I don't, I can do it right from Metatrader 4, even if I don't want to go to like Trade and View or anything like that. So if I just want to mark up some zones and say, okay, here's my current level of resistance zone. This is my current support zone. I see that moving average is still there. I want to get rid of that. Where do I go? Settings. Oh, lost it for a second. Hold on, guys. There we go. I'm back. Okay. So it's in here to show you how to get rid of this. I haven't used the indicator in a while on here, so moving average, edit. There it is. Done, delete, boom, it's out of there. Okay. So if I want to get rid of that. So that's there, showing you different zones. So everything is right here, man, for you to be able to navigate and use with Metatrader 4. All right. So the last thing I'll show you is entering the trade. So if I want to get in this trade, I want to trade Euro USD, want to get in for a buy, all I want to do, boom, hit buy, I'm in the trade. Okay. Now let's say if I wanted to change it, here's what I like about what Metatrader does as well. Let's say if I want to enter Euro USD as a buy limit, right? So I have to make sure and go look at price. I have to make sure price is at 1807, right? So if you know anything about buy limit, price has to come down and break this area, then go back up. Okay. So price has to be above, has to be, I'm trying to think of buy limit. Buy goes down and goes back up. Okay. So let's see here. If I set a price limit of 1835, see it's above. It's not going to work because that's it going up and then coming back down. So if you were saying, man, I can't enter a buy limit, what I mean, price is at an area right here that's not conductive for you to get into a buy limit. So it's not going to let you enter anything that's not practical. So, but if I did set a price, let's say if I said I want to set a buy limit with price at $17.99, now because that is below, is going to touch that price, and then I'm expecting it to go back up. Then I can enter that, and then I can enter in stop loss, take profit, and all of that. So for this, say if my stop loss was, 1750, take profit 1850 or whatever. Now I can place that trade. All right. So there you have it, guys. That's how to use TradingView, guys. I hope you all got some value from this. Listen, I do have a another in-depth video on using TradingView as well. It's for iPhone users, but if you want to check it out, guys, I'll attach it to the end of this video where you can check it out on my YouTube channel as well. So I hope you all got value. Any questions, let me know. There you have it, guys. Pretty simple, right? I definitely hope you got some value from this video. If it seemed a little confusing, you can definitely go back and rewatch it. The steps are very simple to follow, and you can now start understanding, using Metatrader 4 and executing your trades. So there you have it. All right, guys, before I let you go, I got two things I want to share with you. The thing being, guys, is that, listen, I have a free cheat sheet for you if you are trading Forex, guys. It's called the 14 Do's and Don'ts of Forex Trading. I share 7 things you should be doing and 7 things you should not be doing when you're trading in the markets. I also give you a bonus audio where I cover each step in detail. So it's about 40 minutes worth of audio, giving a definitely more in-depth coverage of the 14 steps. I also have a 3-step bonus checklist that I give you to help ensure that you're having the best day in the markets when you're trading. To pick that up, guys, head over to my blog at eddylharvey.com. You'll see a banner right there that says pick up the 14 Do's and Don'ts cheat sheet. All right, guys, the second thing I have for you is that I have a group over on Facebook, a private group, where I give an under the hood inside look at the platform that I've utilized the past 4 years to learn how to trade in the foreign exchange marketplace. If you're interested, guys, in getting a sneak peek under the hood, look at that platform where in there I share strategies. I share educational components from the educators inside of the platform, trainings, results, and more. You're free to come over and definitely take a look at it. Do so by going to fb.tradewithed.com over on Facebook, or simply do a search for the group Forex Value. Hope to see you in there. All right, guys, so listen, that's what I have for you today. I definitely hope you got some value from this video. And guys, if you did, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, leave me a comment if you like what I was talking about. Also, guys, if you definitely want to see more of my content, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell notification to be notified when I drop new videos for you guys every day. Once again, thank you for your time. I appreciate it. I will talk to you all later on. Take care. Have a great day.